Joe's mom loves coziness, cleanliness, and order. You'll never find a speck of dust or a single pet hair in her house. Oh look, Joe has found a new friend.
No.
No kitten either?
No.
At least a hamster?
No.
How strict can you be? 10 years later, our hero grew up, and his mom decided to take a trip and finally live for herself.
Bye, Mom.
Bon voyage, Mrs. Joe's mom. And Joe was just waiting for the right moment. If pets are not allowed, then he'll open his own zoo. Who do you think will be the very first resident? And right here, we're building something special. Of course, it's a giraffe enclosure. Didn't take long before visitors lined up to give them tasty treats. Joe, time to test the setup. What do you think? What are you planning? Woohoo! A living slide. All right, test drive successful. Let the people in. Fresh flowers for our spotty mademoiselle. And she definitely approves. And Joe is ready to keep building. Now it's the kingdom of the big cats. Huge rocks for the pride to rest on in comfort. Wow, his mom would have never allowed kittens like these. And what's a cat enclosure without a scratching post? Enjoy, everyone. Joe worked harder than ever. Will this work? Cats will be cats. And over here, we'll have a petting zoo. Come in, make yourselves comfy. Here are the fresh hay feeders. So, dear animals, who's first for a haircut? Oh my, you've grown quite a wool coat, sheep. Just trimming the ends won't be enough. Wait, who's this? A lion? Ah, he wants a stylish haircut too. Well, here you go. Enjoy. And now for a big contrast. This will be a real tropical paradise. Joe, fill up the pool. Here's the lever. Water on. Perfect. And here's the resident of this place, a toothy crocodile. Ooh, this big lizard loves water treatments. Joe decided to arrange a surprise. Here's a bath bomb. Relaxing spa time. Have you seen the crocodile? Ah, there he is. Ooh, and here we have elephants, the audience favorites. The child needs educational games. Play soccer. That's family harmony. Time to boost creative thinking. How adorable. Maybe we've got a little Leonardo in the making. What's this? What's this? Oh, how cute. It's the name of our channel. So you never forget to subscribe. And of course, give this video a thumbs up. Now it's time for the most agile, playful, branch-swinging, banana-loving animals, monkeys. How alike we are. Like watching an evolution documentary, right? Can't resist filming TikToks with them. Everything they do is funny. No rest for them. Oh, I've got an idea. What if we show them a mirror? Look at that, just like us. Joe didn't tell us what to build next, so let's get creative. Right in the center of the enclosure, we'll set up a campfire so the animals can be warm and cozy all year round. Well, where are the new residents? The enclosure is ready. What are you waiting for? And here come penguins? Joe, why didn't you warn us? No, 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 penguins! No, this is terrible. We need to fix this quickly. Let's build an icy kingdom with a huge block of ice and sub-zero temperatures. Hopefully, it's not too late moving the penguin grill to a new area. Just a little longer. And now let it snow. Come on, come on. Let's check. Friends, it's a miracle. And here they are, sorry for the temporary inconvenience. You're going to love it here. Woohoo! Who's the last down the slide? Follow mommy. Yes, Joe has never been this close to a complete disaster. Have a great rest, little birdies. Now it's time for the underwater kingdom. We'll cover the bottom with stones and coral. And here comes the first resident. I wonder if this crab will open his own snack bar. A couple of goldfish. Ooh, how cute they are together. Uh-oh, looks like the shark needs her own place. Run! Shark, you're coming with us for an upgrade. Why limit yourself to water? I think you've always dreamed of having legs. And you didn't even have to trade your voice to Ursula to get them. Just a few drops of hot glue and 2 pairs of sneakers and the shark goes tra-la-lero tra-la-la. Quick, head over to the enclosure with your silly meme relatives. Everyone's been waiting for you. And the crowd? They're going wild. Hurry up, the show's just getting started. Tra-la-lero tra-la-la is the zoo's brand new star. The crowd is ready to pay anything just to get closer to this enclosure. With all the money raised, he decided to expand the zoo and build even more amazing enclosures. Over here, we'll have a dolphin pool with comfy seats so visitors can watch these wonderful creatures. And now, check out what they can do. Wow, look at those tricks. Bravo, bravo! Joe wants to capture this moment on camera. Careful now. Wow, these dolphins are really smart. They even like posing for pictures. Say cheese. Oh, and now it's turning into a romantic photo shoot. Are you sure this rainbow enclosure is meant for a unicorn? Well, our job is to build, not to ask too many questions. The Unicorn Kingdom is ready to welcome its royal guest. Wow, wow, wow! And here it is. Not exactly how I imagined it. This unicorn could use a little freshening up because it looks a bit rumpled. Wait a second. I see colors swirling in the water. Of course, that's no unicorn. It's a rhino. And here's an enclosure that's like stepping right into ancient China. Bamboo groves, red roofs, and pandas. Oh, I can already tell these cuties are going to be super popular with visitors, especially with a baby panda. That's our zoo's secret weapon. Look at how adorably it climbs the bamboo. Somebody take a picture. Whoa, this little one is way more agile than you'd expect from a clumsy panda. Now it's time to build a little corner of Australia. Not to be confused with Austria, please. A couple of eucalyptus sprouts for our animals. And what's Australia without koalas? Just look at those ears. Are you curious what this building will be? It's going to be spectacular. And here come the koalas' neighbors, the kangaroos. Mom brought fresh eucalyptus for her boys. But of course, the brothers are already squabbling. And we all know kangaroos love to box. All right, break it up. Time to do it the sporty way. Gloves on, we need you in one piece. Step into the ring. Is everyone ready? Joe announces, round 1, box. Oh, these boys. This isn't even an enclosure. It's more like a house. What's Joe planning this time? Everything is so pink and cutesy. Oh, I see. It's the Labubu Kingdom. Finally, the brain rot memes and pandas have a worthy rival. Labubu, Labubu, Labubu. Ah, victims of marketing. Such a sad sight. Wait, what's Joe carrying? Oh, clever boy, he's already opened a gift shop. Labubu's in every shape and color. Joe, that's a brilliant startup. All right, back to work. We almost forgot about the terrarium. The one for the snakes, spiders, and other creepy crawlies. Luckily, they're all behind glass. Time to move them in. Brr, it gives me chills. Look at those huge spiders. Oh no, Spider-Man's here to rescue his cousins? Hey, don't break the terrarium. Calm down, hero. Happy now? Look at what you've done. A snake got out. Everybody run! Help! Good thing you took the 3-day animal training course. Next up, the bear enclosure. Bears love fish bone appetit. Only the freshest for you. Only the freshest for you. Wow, what a talented parrot impression. Wow, what a talented parrot impression. Okay, not as funny the second time. Birds need their own enclosure too. Back to work. Crane, Joe! Crane, Joe! This parrot is hilarious. Where did it hear that? What crane? Hopeless, hopeless. This zoo is absolutely mind-blowing. Uh-oh, we've got a problem. Joe's mom came back earlier than planned. And wait, Joe's mom got him a dog. Nothing could ruin this day. It's perfect. Unless... Oh no, I think I understand what our feathery friend meant. Flood! Stay calm, everyone. Told you. Told you. We have to save all the animals. Not the pandas. Oh, moms will be moms. Calm down, Lion, right now. The boy knows exactly what to do when the great flood came. Noah built an ark, and our Joe is building Joe's ark. Joe doesn't know the meaning of no way out. Hang on, little animals, the ship is on its way to save you. Perfect, we're safe. No pushing. Well, of course you can't make monkeys stand in line. Welcome aboard Joe's Ark. Everyone's here from A for Ara to Z for Lizard. We can set sail. The coast is clear. We're heading for new adventures. Wait a second, is that an iceberg? Ah! To be continued.